If free transform is not working in Photoshop, don't worry. This is usually a simple fix, and in this video, I'll walk you through the most common causes step by step. Whether your bounding box is invisible, the tool won't scale or move, the shift key is behaving differently, or Photoshop is just glitching, you'll be able to get free transform working again fast. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, if you activate free transform and you can't see the handles or bounding box, the issue is often just a display or tool setting. Select the Move tool by pressing V on your keyboard. Then look at the top options bar. You should see an option called Show Transform Controls. Make sure that box is checked. This will make Photoshop display the transform bounding box whenever you select a layer. If you still don't see it, the transform may be stuck in a pending state. Sometimes Photoshop is waiting for you to confirm or cancel a previous transform. In that case, press Enter or Return to finish the current transform. You can also right-click on the bounding area and confirm the transform if needed. Once that's cleared, try Free Transform again and see if the handles appear normally. Now, if you can't select the layer but Free Transform still won't move or scale anything, the next thing to check is whether the layer is locked. Go to your Layers panel and look for a small padlock icon next to the layer. If it's locked, click the lock to unlock it. A locked layer won't let you transform it properly, so this is one of the most common reasons the tool seems broken. Another very common issue is an active selection. Even a tiny selection border or mask outline can interfere with free transform. To clear that, press Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on Mac to deselect everything. After that, try transforming your layer again. This simple step fixes the problem more often than most people realize. If the layers still won't respond, check what type of layer you're working with. Smart objects, vector shapes, and text layers can behave differently from normal pixel layers. In some cases, Photoshop may limit what free transform can do until the layer is converted. To fix that, right-click the layer name in the Layers panel and choose Rasterize Layer. That turns it into standard pixels, which usually makes transform behavior much more predictable. Next, let's talk about the Shift key issue. If holding Shift is distorting your image or behaving in a way that feels backward, that's because newer versions of Photoshop changed the way free transform works. Adobe updated the shortcut behavior, so what used to feel normal may now seem reversed. If you want the classic behavior back, go to Edit, then Preferences, then General on Windows. On Mac, go to Photoshop, then Settings, then General. From there, check Use Legacy Free Transform. This restores the older Shift key behavior and makes transforming feel more familiar if you're used to the classic workflow. If Photoshop is still acting weird, freezing, or glitching when you try to transform, the problem may be performance-related. A good next step is to toggle your graphics processor settings. Go to Edit, then Preferences, then Performance on Windows, or Photoshop, then Settings, then Performance on Mac. Uncheck Use Graphics Processor. Click OK, then restart Photoshop and test Free Transform again. In many cases, turning off GPU acceleration temporarily can fix strange transform bugs immediately. If none of that works, you may need to reset Photoshop preferences. This is one of the most effective fixes when tools stop behaving normally. To do it, close Photoshop, then restart it while holding Ctrl, Alt, and Shift on Windows, or Command, Option, and Shift on Mac. When Photoshop asks if you want to delete the settings file, click Yes. This resets your preferences back to default and often clears up hidden issues that can break free transform. So just to recap, if free transform is missing, turn on Show Transform Controls. If it won't move or scale, check for a locked layer, deselect any active selection, and rasterize the layer if needed. If Shift feels wrong, enable Use Legacy Free Transform. And if Photoshop is glitching, disable the graphics processor or reset your preferences. That's how to fix Photoshop Free Transform not working. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Photoshop troubleshooting tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.